Welcome to this video created in partnership with Grey Matter on the Intel oneAPI AI Analytics Toolkit. My name is Stephen Blair-Chappell from Bayncore, an Intel oneAPI technology partner that provides training, consultancy and technical support in HPC and AI. This is the 7th of 8 short videos. You'll remember from our previous videos that there are 7 toolkits. And the toolkit we're looking at today, the AI Analytics Toolkit, is designed for data scientists and AI developers. Those of you who are data scientists might be asking yourself the question, why should I use the AI Toolkit? What's the advantage? There are 4 things that spring to mind. Firstly, the tools and libraries in the toolkit are written so that you can get the maximum performance out of the underlying Intel-based hardware. Secondly, because all the tools are packaged together in a binary distribution, there's no chance of experiencing a mismatch or missing dependencies in your analytics environment. Thirdly, many of the components in the toolkit have been optimized with reference to the key stakeholders. So, for example, Intel have worked closely with Google and Facebook in their optimization work of TensorFlow and PyTorch. And lastly, within the toolkit, there is a large ready-to-use set of examples that will help you quickly experience AI analytics on Intel hardware. The content of the toolkit can be described in 4 blocks: deep learning, machine learning, data analytics, and the core Python libraries. At the heart of the Analytics Toolkit is the Intel distribution of Python, which has been optimized to take advantage of multi-threading and vectorization on Intel architecture with the additional potential of operating across distributed compute nodes. Under the hood, the libraries benefit from the highly optimized Intel Math kernel library. If you're using Python from Anaconda, you will have already experienced some of these optimization benefits as they are also integrated into the Anaconda Python distribution. For deep learning, Intel has worked with Facebook's PyTorch and Google's TensorFlow to optimize the frameworks for use on Intel architecture. By using the Intel oneAPI Deep Neural Network library, both of these frameworks have been optimized for extra performance boosts on Intel hardware. Optimizations include the use of AVX512 Vector Neural Network instructions, that's AVX512VNNI, and the Intel Advanced Matrix extensions. The Intel Model Zoo contains links to pre-trained models, sample scripts, and documented best practices and step-by-step tutorials. The Intel Neural Compressor is an open-source Python library designed to help you quickly deploy low-precision inference solutions on deep learning frameworks. Here's a diagram of some of the features of that tool. It contains popular network compression technologies such as quantization, pruning, and knowledge distillation. For machine learning, you can benefit from the Intel extension for scikit-learn, which contains a drop-in replacement patching functionality for the scikit-learn machine learning library. Also available is an optimized version of XGBoost, a well-known machine learning package for gradient-boosted decision trees. The optimized version significantly speeds up model training and improves accuracy for better predictions on Intel architecture. In data analytics, you can accelerate your Pandas workflow and scale data pre-processing across multi-nodes using the Intel distribution of Modin. The library integrates with OmniSci in the backend for accelerated analytics. There are 3 ways that you can quickly get up and running with the Analytics Toolkit. The first way is to use the Intel Dev Cloud. The second way is to use a container. And the third way is to install the toolkit locally on your own system. The Analytics Toolkit provides a number of examples that you can use. And you'll find that there are examples that fit into each of the areas that we spoke of. So there are examples for TensorFlow, for PyTorch, for the Model Zoo, for the Neural Compressor, the extension to scikit-learn and XGBoost, and for the Intel distribution of Modin. In our next video, we're going to be looking at the Intel distribution of OpenVNow.